Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to what are we cooking today? Well, today we're going to make pizza, and we're going to make individual pizzas, and they're really kind of fun to make and something really fun to have if you're having either your kids, grandkids come in, or even a group of adults come in to maybe watch a game together or play some games and whatever. They can pick out their own toppings and you can make a whole big pan of pizzas individually. We'll be using, let me just get this out of here, these Rhodes Rolls. Okay, they come frozen, little hard balls. You're going to just defrost them on a cookie sheet, following the package directions, and then use whatever you'd like to top them, and you'll have a whole lot of individual little pizzas. So we're going to show you just how to go about that today, and we're going to have pizza for lunch. Back in a second. Okay, I have 6. Now this one kind of deflated, so we'll just use it as it is. But what I'm taking is a potato masher. It has all these little holes, and I'm just mashing down in the middle, and it gives a nice edge and a little bit of a area in the middle. You see? And I'm going to start with the pizza sauce, and I'm using just a jarred pizza sauce. Let me get a spoon. I think I'm going to add just a little more. Okay, next we have some shredded mozzarella that I just shredded. Make a nice little layer of that. Okay, now everybody, Bob and I both like peppers and onions, so I'm going to put peppers and onions on all of them. And I used a little bag of frozen mixed peppers and onions. Okay, now, Bob likes pepperoni, so we'll put some, I have mini pepperonis here. Put some mini pepperonis on, couple. some on this little one down here. This is an Italian sausage that I ground up. So we'll put some of that on a couple of these. Now I like, whoops, sorry, get the can over here. I like black olives. Bob does not, so he doesn't have to have any on his. I'll use this little one. So we'll each have 3. And I also like mushrooms. I'm going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning. Don't lose my toppings here. And I'm going to add just a little bit more cheese on the top. Why not? Now, I was thinking of all the different things you could put on here. Here you go. How about on your Tuesday taco night, you make up some taco meat. Cook it with some taco meat and cheddar cheese, and when they come out of the oven, top it with salsa and lettuce and onions. In New England, especially in Connecticut, there's a place called Zapato's Pizza. And it's not pizza, it's a piece. A piece. And they make a clam pizza. And it uses a garlic oil with clams and Romano cheese. And you can do that with canned clams. And I think what I'll do if I make one, to make just a small batch of Alfredo sauce and use that instead of the garlic oil. Okay, and then put canned clams on the top. I'm going to put these in the oven 350 for probably about 18 minutes. I will check them and see how long they took when they come out. Back in a bit. There you go. These just came out of the oven. Hot and hotter. I'm going to get a paper plate. And I'll take one. I'll take this funny one that I made and put it over here on the plate. And I'm going to let it cool for just a little bit, and I'll try to get a taste of it for you. But let me just show you up close and personal. Wait a minute, I got my pot holder. It's stuck a little because of the cheese. Isn't that something, huh? Just a dinner roll. Now, I mean, I make my own bread and I make my own pizza dough, but this is just a fun thing to do. These 3 are Bobby's. These 3 are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and my one I've got over here. I'm going to have to let it set for a few minutes before I can bite it. Back in a bit. See if I can get a bite. Scrumptious, as Carrie would say. What a fun little lunch. So we're going to sit down and have some yummy mini pizzas. So many things you can put on the top of them. Write down in the comments what you would put on the top of it. If you're vegetarian, make it all vegetables. Broccoli, mushrooms, olives, artichokes, spinach. If you're a meat lover, put all kinds of meat. Sausage, pepperoni, hamburger. I like the taco idea. Taco meat with cheddar cheese, covered with shredded lettuce, onions, salsa, and sour cream. Wow, I'm going to have to try that one. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up and a comment. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I need to have more comments left so that I'm getting better algorithms. So please leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you Wednesday for Craft Day. I think we might be doing a St. Patrick's topper for the lantern with some flowers and leaves and stuff, fancy-ish. Until then, I hope you all will have a great afternoon, evening, morning, night, whatever it is you need. You are, and hope you stay warm, dry. Somebody's supposed to be getting some big snowstorms. Be careful out there. Stay in, let the plows do their job before you go out. And I'll see you again Wednesday. Everybody play nice now. Love ya. Bye-bye.